Like, hello,
Why Patoa?
I'm recording.
Why Patoa is getting acquainted with nature. More specifically, that tree. I am the wind at this moment, so I'm going to lift him onto the tree. Power of nature! Who's that? That's the power of
Oh, nature!
Oh gosh.
Oh.
You've been really acquainted with nature.
Real kind of thing. Me and nature are
Yeah, no, it's already higher. I don't feel like falling on you right now.
Okay. Coming down. Action.
Woo!
Ah! Nature! 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 Resting! Oh, Monday, that's
Tree! Trees! Aww. He's so cute.
Hello, I'm Henry David Thoreau. Hello. Meet you. Thank you. Alright, how do you like nature?
I love it. She loves nature.
That's awesome. Oh gosh.
Do you like material things? Material things like iPods and technology and all this hubbub fast stuff? To a certain amount level.
As she listens to her iPod.
So would you say nature outweighs the material things, or the material things outweighs the nature? To some people, the material things outweigh nature. That's true, but how about you? I honestly like nature better.
See? I like this chick. She likes nature.
How does it feel to be hugged by Henry David Thoreau, author of Walden?
Walden. I wrote Walden over my phone.
I bet you read that.
Yeah. Awesome. It's kind of creepy too. She called me creepy.
I wonder
Awesome,
what.
though. I'm awesome. See, I'm creepy off. I'm awesome. I'm so soft. Okay.
Hello, I'm Henry David Thoreau.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Henry.
Thank you.
Alrighty. Do you like nature?
I do.
Are you lying?
No.
She's not a liar.
How do you know?
The face that lies?
Yes.
What you said.
Okay. Have you read my book, Walden?
I'm sorry, I have not.
You have not? You have not.
I don't think we can interview her.
No, this isn't working. How can you not read Walden?
Read it?
Okay.
What about Nature? Have you read?
I can work with you. I can work with you.
Has she read Nature? By me?
No, I'm sorry. I'll put it on my list too.
No, you won't.
Okay, let's just go.
Goodbye. You're being ditched.
Are we still recording?
Yep.
Okay. Nick, come here. Come here. Let's interview. Okay. This is Nick Hitchman.
Do you know who that is?
You know who I am?
Guess who's around?
Yeah, see?
Who am I?
Look at that. All right. I'm Henry David Thoreau. Shake
What?
my hand.
How dare you?
Okay.
I taught him.
All right. Have you read Walden?
Nope.
This is for class. Miss Nick's gonna see this.
Oh yeah, I heard that.
Okay. Did you like it? Do you feel more connected with nature?
No.
No. You
Nope.
can't know. Okay. Have you what do you do any outdoorsy things? Do you like going in the woods and looking at animals?
I can't.
You can't. See? There you go.
But do you use a trailer?
Do you use a trailer or
No.
do you use a tent thinger?
There.
See? Tent thinger. That's good.
Do you bring your own stove?
Do you use the porta potties or do you just do it in the woods? Don't answer that. So that's good. That's good. That's nature.
That's gold.
All right. We're done with this. Very well.
Ah, I can't believe you don't know who I am.
Hey. I can't see out of it. There we go. I can see.
Ah.
Hi, Dalton. No, I'm not Lainey. I'm Ralph Waldo Emerson.
No, you're not.
I'm not Ralph. That's Ralph. I'm Henry David Thoreau.
Oh,
I'm dyslexic.
did you get that stuff for English?
Yes.
Okay.
Have you read Walden?
Have I what?
Have you read Walden?
Last year in English I think I did?
Yes. Did you like it?
Why not?
Well, see, I like his attitude.
Ha ha ha.
You feel more connected with nature.
Yes.
Yes. See? I'm gonna shake your hand again. All right.
Look at that bonding.
That what?
Bonding.
Bonding?
Bonding.
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 I didn't hear that. Have you read Ralph
Waldo
Emerson's book?
Nature.
I think you read a little, but I'm not sure.
Ralph Waldo Emerson. Well, it was only a little section, so
Yeah, I
of
think-
course.
We read a little section of all of them, I think.
No, it was a big section.
Remember though.
Alright. Well, you have fun connecting with nature.
Goodbye, Lindsay. I mean,
I'll be right back.
Henry David Thoreau.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm Henry David Thoreau. We have the same name.
Oh, so cool.
Did you write Walden? No, typo. Did you read it? You'll read it next year.
Okay.
You'll enjoy it.
No, you won't.
No, it's an awesome book. You know who that is?
I'm smiling.
No, I have no idea who that is.
I am Ralph Waldo Emerson. That is Emerson. No, I wrote nature. You wrote nature. I'm in love with nature. Do you like nature?
No. No.
Why not?
I like to try nature.
Do you like material things?
What are you talking about? No.
don't like material things? You don't like nature?
No.
What do you like?
Living on the streets.
See, we got a hobo. He's more to the... What is that? That's nature?
No,
No, that's
it's
free.
cement.
Yeah, that's true. So we got a... What's that called?
I'll write a book called Cement. One of you. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Well.
Well, that was Henry, and I'm Henry, and we're out.
And I'm Ralph.
Ralph. Alright, is it on?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Hi, Josh. I'm Henry David Thoreau.
Why are you wearing sunglasses?
Because it's sunny out, you're squinting your eyes. You should be wearing sunglasses. Okay, I wrote...
Walden.
I actually wanted to say Emerson. I wrote Walden. Did you know? Did you read that Walden book and study? Did you like it? You did.
Did you oh yeah, that's fun. Did you thoroughly enjoy it? I'm Emerson. How could you not know that?
Ralph Waldo Emerson.
Author of nature. In a world.
You enjoy nature. You go out in nature and enjoy it.
Hector.
Stop it! For a second! You do. He likes nature. Do you like material things over nature or nature over material things?
You're not learning anything in English.
You're not gonna kick him? Wow.
Walk away.
Walking away.
Hello! I'm Henry David Thoreau.
Oh, nice to meet you. Honor. Oh, yes.
Have you read Walden?
Yes, I have.
All about nature and stuff?
Yes.
You know what I did?
What?
I went out of the cabin and I wrote about nature! Nature!
Speaking of nature, why is there a tractor trailer coming in the background? That's very unnatural. Look at that, hey!
Do you like nature over material things? Material things over nature? See? The whole road, step for a fact.
Word.
Dig it up. What pressure?
Wow. Diggity. Calm down. Alright, good dance off of the sunset.
There's a wall over there.
A shining beacon in the sky, and yearn for what's missing, the power hidden in the night. An angel, a demon, the parts you play on lonesome nights, the damage inflicted, the pain and lust they leave behind. Soldiers